Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and I am Prabhakar Acharya. Students, we have started Chaturdasha Pata, that means 14th chapter, named Pratipadam Sanskritam. You can see the title of entire Sanskrit. This is not for composite, it is only for entire. ये entire के लिए है and this is only for question answers, not for translation. But still we will see the translation as well as important words. So in the very first video, you have seen introduction of this chapter, and this is the second video where we are going to discuss important words, whether it is sandhi, twant, levant, tumantavya, samas, as well as meanings of the sentence and the question sentences which can be asked for the questions. So I hope you are ready. So first start with the reading. ध्यान से सुनो, आपके उस हर एक शब्द का प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या है और हमें रीडिंग अच्छे से आना चाहिए. अगर हम रीडिंग अच्छे से कर पा रहे हैं तो दैट मीन्स आई विल बी एबल टू राइट करेक्ट वर्ड ऑल्सो. मोस्टली मैंने देखा है, आई ऑब्जर्व वाइल आई चेक द पेपर, स्टूडेंट्स वाइल राइटिंग द आंसर्स दे मेक स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स एंड मोस्टली दे लूज देयर मार्क्स इन स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक. सो आपको अगर स्पेलिंग मार्क्स का अवॉइड करना है, आपको मार्क्स चाहिए, तो आपको करेक्ट राइटिंग करना है. और वो करेक्ट राइटिंग मतलब आपको लेखन का जो अभ्यास है वो तभी करेक्ट हो सकता है जब आपका पठन में प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपका करेक्ट है. आप करेक्टली उस पर ध्यान दे रहे हो कि इसका उच्चारण क्या है, विच मात्रा इज देयर, शॉर्ट वॉवेल और लॉन्ग वॉवेल, विच स इज देयर, स, श और स. ये आप तभी ध्यान लिख सकते हो करेक्टली जब आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन करेक्ट है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट विथ रीडिंग. First one is in this second video we are going to cover this introduction given here about the dialogues. संवादस्थलम. विमानतलस्य प्रतीक्षालय. केचन जनाः यात्रायाः आरम्भार्थं प्रतीक्षन्ते, केचन सुखेन निद्रामग्नाः, केचन कॉफी पानस्य आनन्दम् अनुभवन्ति. तत्र एका महोदया प्राप्नोति. सा उपविश्य पुस्तकं पठितुं प्रारभते. पुस्तकस्य मुखपृष्ठे संस्कृतसूक्तिसङ्ग्रह इति शीर्षकं वर्तते. तद्दृष्ट्वा समीपस्थः कोऽपि महाजनः तया सह वक्तुं प्रारभते. महोदय, अपि भवती संस्कृतं पाठयति? महोदय, संस्कृतं इट इज सस्मितं न खलु. Now we'll see important words. संवादस्थलम. संवादस्थलम means venue of conversation, place of conversation. संवाद का स्थल, that is षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास, संवादस्य स्थलम. विमानतलस्य प्रतीक्षालय. विमानतलस्य is also समास word. विमानस्य तलम षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास. So विमानतलस्य means of at the airport or off airport. प्रतीक्षालय. प्रतीक्षालय means प्रतीक्षाये आलयः, that is waiting lounge, waiting room. So waiting room at the airport. So conversation place is waiting room or waiting lounge at the airport. प्रतीक्षालय. विमानतल means airport का एक रूम में. केचन जनाः यात्रायाः आरम्भार्थं प्रतीक्षन्ते. केचन means some, जनाः people, यात्रायाः means of journey, आरम्भार्थं for the beginning or to start, pratikshante means are waiting. So some people are waiting to start their journey. So this is arambhartham is also samas word, and you can see arambhaya iti artham laga hua hai. That's why it is chaturthi tatpurush samas. When it will be break, so the first main word will come in chaturthi. So arambha is akarant sab, so it become arambhaya iti or idam chaturthi tatpurush samas. That means to start their journey. केचन means some, सुखेन तृतीया एक वचन means happily, nidra magnaha means engrossed in sleep. So some are engrossed in sleep, some are happily engrossed in sleep. So this is also samas word. निद्रायाम मग्नाः। सो कुछ लोग सुख से मतलब आराम से सो रहे हैं। नाउ केचन कॉफी पानस्य आनंदम अनुभवन्ति। केचन मीन्स सम, कॉफी पानस्य ऑफ releasing coffee sip means enjoying coffee sip. Anandam anubhavanti means enjoying. So some are enjoying coffee sip. So कुछ कॉफ़ी पी रहे हैं. There are three types of people mentioned here. One means some are sleeping happily, some are waiting to begin their journey, and some are enjoying coffee sip. तो तीन तरह के लोग आपने देखा यहाँ पे. तत्र there एका महोदया प्राप्नोति. There one lady arrives. There Mahodaya means lady, it is Mahodaya. So it is Prathama Ekvachan means lady, means respected lady arrives. Sa means she. Upavishya means sitting, it is 11th abhyay form. Upavishya means sitting. Kimapi means certain or some. Kimadikapi some. Pustakam patitum prarabhate. Pustakam a book, patitum is to read, prarabhate. So she sitting over there start reading a book. So she sitting over there start reading a book. So वहाँ पे बैठ के वो कोई पुस्तक पढ़ना शुरू करती है. And पठितुम is तुमंतव्य form. पुस्तकस्य मुख पृष्ठे, पुस्तकस्य means of book, मुख पृष्ठे on the front page, मुख पृष्ठे on the front page संस्कृत सूक्ति संग्रह इति शीर्षकम वर्तते. There is a title of a book on the front page. That title is Sanskrit, means Sanskrit language. Sukti means good sayings. Sangraha means collection. So its meaning is collection of Sanskrit proverbs, Sanskrit good sayings. Tad drishtva, saying that samipastha kopi mahajana tayasa vaktum prarabhate. So tad drishtva, saying that, it is tvantavya form. Samipastha samipe tishtati iti. Samipastha uppat tatpurush samas means nearby. Samipastha means nearby. Ko api mahajana, certain or some. Mahajana means gentleman. Tayasa vaktum prarabhate. Tayasa with her. Vaktum prarabhate means to converse. Begins conversation. So a certain man sitting over there begins conversation with her. तो उसके साथ में बात करना शुरू करते हैं. So here you can see vaktum is tumant abhyay. Then drishta was tvantavya form. After that we have seen patitum tumantavya form and upavishya लेवंतव्य form. So start of तीनों form आप देख सकते हो. एक लेवंत का है, दो तुमंतव्य है, पठितुम and vaktum, and one is दृष्ट्वा त्वांतव्य form. And one more thing, saha is indeclinable, which govern tritiya vibhakti, and taya is in tritiya because of that. So this is the important things you must note down. Now see conversation. Mahodaya means gentleman. Api bhavati sanskritam pathayati. So this man is asking to that gentle lady. Api means is or does. Bhavati means you, respected lady. Sanskritam pathayati, teach Sanskrit language. So does you teach Sanskrit language? Sorry, it is do you teach Sanskrit language? Because second person यहाँ पे भवती आया है तो ये थर्ड पर्सन में जाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड डज, बट ये आएगा मीनिंग इसका जाएगा इंग्लिश में सेकेंड पर्सन में. सो डू यू टीच संस्कृत लैंग्वेज? महोदया, दैट लेडी से. सस्मितम मीन्स स्माइलिंगली. सस्मितम इट अव्यय भाव समास. स्मितेन सह सस्मितम अव्यय भाव समास मीन्स स्माइलिंगली. न खलु नॉट इंडीड, नहीं. न से इस ट्रांसलेशन. तो इसमें आपने देखा कि समास बहुत सारे था, बहुत सारा तुमंत लेवंत. ये पैराग्राफ आता है तो इसमें से मोस्ट प्रोबेबली क्वेश्चन आएगा तुमंत अव्ययम चित्वा लिखा था, बिकॉज दो फॉर्म तुमंत अव्यय का है और दो ही फॉर्म फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आता है. न से इस ट्रांसलेशन. प्लेस ऑफ द कन्वर्सेशन, दैट इज संवाद स्थलम. वेटिंग लाउंज ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट. A few travelers are waiting for their journey to begin. Few are fast asleep. Few are enjoying coffee. A lady comes there. Having seated, she starts reading a certain book. There is the title Sanskrit Sukti Sangraha on the cover page of the book. Seeing that, a gentleman sitting nearby started talking to her. So it is translation of this इंट्रोडक्शन गिवन में से ये जो मेन इंट्रोड्यूस किया है इस कन्वर्सेशन को उसका, and then the next translation we will see in the next video, that will be third part, where I give you translation of these two sentences and the next sentence which are going to come over there. Now see sandhis together I give you here and important words. First sandhi begina janai api, janai adhik api, adhuna eva. These are sandhi words. I give you all sandhi words, all important questions after completion of this lesson. So keep on watching and also take some message if you need, if you want any help from my side, and also grammar part. So this year I am going to upload more and more question papers along with the answer keys. So you will come to know कि क्या आंसर लिखना चाहिए और क्या मैं लिखूँगा या लिखूँगी तो मुझे मार्क्स मिलेगा. So keep on watching. Thank you watching this video.